This is CPM Precalculus Chapter 3, number 108. So here we want to use the log laws to write the following as a single law, as a single log. So we want to do A as a single log and then B as a single log, not A and B together. No. Okay? So let's quickly review the log laws. We have the log of a product, right? We can combine, when we're adding two logs of the same base, we get a product of them. We're subtracting two of the same base, right? When I say the same base, each log here is the same base. Okay, if we have log base 3 of 5 plus log base 5 of 6, we cannot use the product law to combine these. So they have to have the same base. So luckily for us, in part A, all of these have the same base, right? When there's an implicit invisible base, we know it's 10. Right? Always 10. If it's not written, it's 10. Okay? So let's go ahead and simplify this using the log of a product, right? These two are being added together just like x plus y here. That means we can multiply them inside a single one. So this is equivalent to log of 4 times 2, right? Don't forget the minus log 5 here. 4 times 2 is 8. So we can rewrite this as log of 8 minus log of 5. Right? Now we can use the log of a quotient law to go ahead and see, well, if we're subtracting, right? We're subtracting here. That means we can combine these to make a quotient, the one positive minus the one that's negative. So here's the one that's positive on the top. So this is a positive log, right, of 8 over the one we're subtracting, log of y. So 8 over 5. So here is the simplified version of part A. Right? We have a single log, it's log of 8 over 5. Let's go on to part B. Part B, again, we're lucky we have the same base, base 2. Now these are logs of base 2. So let's go ahead and convert these into one base. So first of all, this one is just 1 times log base 2 of m. This one is 2. So let's go ahead and rewrite this one. 2 in the front is just like here using the power law rule, right? The power law rule. This is n, so n is 2, and then we have log of big N. So we're going to be able to rewrite this as log of x to the n. So log, again, is still base 2. And here we have x, and that's our capital N, just like we have x here. And we're going to raise it to the nth power. So 2 power. So this is log base 2 of n squared, right? This one here is simplified or converted to equal that. Now we can use the log of a product rule, because if we add two logs of the same base, we're going to multiply them inside one log. So we have one log of the same base, these are both base 2, and we're going to multiply m here times n squared. Right? And this is a single log now, and we have completed part B. So that's going to end for us CPM Precalculus Chapter 3, number 108.